Okay, so you did the right thing. Put your hair in a protective style to grow it out, retain length, and give your hair strands a break, right? So why is your hair still breaking? Girl, listen. The problem isn't the style. It's what you're doing while you're wearing the style. So let's talk about it. Now, in today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 most common mistakes people make while wearing protective styles and how those mistakes are quietly sabotaging your growth. So whether you wear box braids, twist, wigs, or crochet braids, these tips will help you protect your hair the right way. So mistake number 1 is installing styles too tightly. Let me be real, right? If you need paracetamols after getting your hair done, that's not a protective style. That's a trauma style. Yes, tight braids, twists, or sew-ins may look nice and sleek, but they're pulling at your follicles, especially your edges. And guess what? Once your follicles are damaged, they may not bounce back, because a true protective style should feel comfortable. So here's a pro tip. Ask your stylist to go lighter on tension, or better yet, learn how to gauge it yourself at home. Mistake number 2 is neglecting your scalp. Listen, just because your hair is hidden doesn't mean it doesn't need attention. Your scalp is still skin. It sweats, it sheds, it gets dirty, and it needs to be moisturized. So protective styling doesn't mean neglected. So here's your pro tip. Use a lightweight oil like the Hair We Gro Stimulating Growth Oil or a herbal spray to hydrate your scalp weekly. You also want to cleanse gently with diluted shampoo or scalp wipes if your style allows for it, because remember, a healthy scalp equals healthy hair. Mistake number 3 is not moisturizing while your hair is styled. Okay, so a protective style that locks in moisture is great. But if there's no moisture to begin with, you're just sealing in a dryness. It's like putting a lid on an empty jar and expecting it to fill up, right? So your pro tip here is to mist your hair lightly with water or a leave-in mix like 2 to 3 times a week, and seal it in with a nourishing butter or oil like the Hair We Gro Moisturizing Butters or Stimulating Growth Oil to keep that moisture in. So don't let your hair starve under any style, whether you're wearing a protective style or a wig. Mistake number 4 is leaving in your styles for too long. Now, there's a fine line between protective and problematic. And once your style starts to grow out and mat at the root, you're putting your strands at risk, because build-up, tangles, and matting are the fast lane to breakage. So here's your pro tip. Most styles are safest when kept for 4 to 6 weeks, and after that you want to take it down, treat your hair, and then restyle. And if you need a refresher on how to prep before installing, grab the Hair We Gro Style Prep Guide at hairwegro.store. Mistake number 5 is rushing the takedown. Okay, so you know the vibes. It's late, you're tired, and you want this thing out. But that rushed takedown, it can cost you weeks of progress. So tugging through knots, ripping shed hairs, yikes, not good. So your pro tip is use water or a softening oil to loosen your strands and start with finger detangling. And you want to be gentle. And also set aside some real time for takedown, because your hair deserves patience and care. So if your hair's been breaking even in a protective style, now you know why. Because these 5 mistakes are common, but they're also avoidable. So let's start doing better by our hair strands, one decision at a time. Now remember to download your free Hair We Gro Complete Styling Guide for 22 hairstyle options and tips to care for them, and you are able to get that at hairwegro.store. And don't forget to shop the Hair We Gro Stimulating Growth Oil and Moisturizing Butters, because healthy styles need healthy products.